So prior to my SSB dates, I did realize that there is something lacking in my preparation, and that shortage got completed the time I came to DDA. I would say it is not only about the thing we actually learn here in the 2 weeks. The way we grasp it and then we actually implement it into our real lives, that is what is actually expected out of you for your interviews. 2 weeks here, every day there was a new experience. Not only learning a lot new things about the procedure that is gonna happen in my SSBs, but also about my own self. And that is what is expected out of you. Your own introspection for your own self. And the very first thing that we learned here, 3 basic principles that are actually which we want the interviewing officers that they want from us. The 3 basic principles that are actually tested are your through the mansa that we say, your thoughts, vacha, your speaking skills, and then your karma, that is the actions that you do. All these 3 things, mansa, your thoughts through your psychology test, your speaking skills in the GDs, the GT task, and also the whole interview that goes on, and karma, that is actually the way of in the SRTs that you react, though you are writing it, but it actually implements the way how you're gonna react to it. When I came here, so my parents were not there to guide me and all. I thank Unyal sir for this, as every day they used to actually ask us about our preparation and also about a stay here. This did help us a lot because it made us to focus on the purpose that we are actually here for. Further talking about, as the first day you all know, it is actually about the PPDT and the reasoning's ability that is tested. So I would have not been made better in these 2 skills, these 2 tests, so maybe I would have come out the very first day. So I would like to thank Ravi sir for that, as my very first day, it was a very fantastic one. So I had a great start to my SSB. Here, when I was here for my SSB preparation, it was Ravi sir who actually not only taught us to speak in the group of people and to come out to an conclusion because of yourself. You are giving a point. So sir did teach us that it is not only about your group task, that you are standing or sitting wherever and giving a point. This is what a leader or the officer's quality is, where he can actually lead the group and come up through his ideas to a conclusion. And thus I would say that this leadership quality in me was actually brought up by Ravi sir. Then I actually got time after my recommendation, as Guwahati is not a well-established board. So I came back here in August and sir helped me for my preparation for the CPSS test. That's all. Thank you.